Alright, I painted the bookshelf and you're not really seeing it on the camera. It looks like the perfect shade, but in real life it is literally salmon. Right now it actually doesn't look that bad, but really guys, it is really not the vibe. So I didn't paint the side yet. So I'm just gonna re-prime everything, do it over. We actually picked up a new paint color. So this one is called Graceful Gray. We'll see if I like it. Hopefully I do. Okay guys, you're probably gonna think I'm crazy, but we're painting the bookshelf over. So the original color was white. Then I painted it a color and it just looked so pink. So we primed again, painted it another color, and it was too purple. This is wheat bread. This one is smokestack, and this one is sculptor clay. Sculptor clay is a gray, which has equal tones gray and beige. I also see some green undertones in here. Smokestack is a taupe color, and wheat bread is a taupe as well. But you can kind of already see a little bit the pink undertone here. And then the sculptor clay has more of that green undertone. We're going with the sculptor clay because it's the most neutral out of the two. And these bookshelves, you guys, I don't know if they're original or what, but they are not built correctly. Like, they are very wonky bookshelves. Like, don't even get me started on that side. So I'm just trying to make the house look as cozy and cute as possible without having to rebuild them. But what I want to do is put some brick and overgrout it on the surround. So I'm just kind of contemplating how that would go and exactly what I want to put there. But that's kind of like my plan, is to have some type of like treatment on the surround so it's just not two painted bookshelves and doesn't look kind of out of place. I feel like I would leave the fireplace alone if the bookshelves were white, but with the space being so open, I kind of wanted a color on this side of the house. So you guys, this is honestly so good. This is exactly what I wanted, and it looks so good. I'm still on the hunt for a new coffee table and some art to go up here, as well as an end table on this side, and then some ottomans for the front. I'm waiting on the ottomans only because I'm waiting to see how big the coffee table will be in the house. So once I find that, I'll get the ottomans. The curtains still look good, so I'm just going to keep the curtains white, and down the line I'll probably do some type of like pattern maybe. But yeah, definitely some art on this side. I was also contemplating if I should add mirrors to this side, but I kind of like it plain, especially if we're going to decorate the bookshelves and add in some more furniture. I definitely don't want the house to look too cluttered and small, and I feel like adding too many elements might make it too small. I also was contemplating on doing like a big mirror right here to kind of bounce the light in the room, and I think that would be really pretty. So we'll see. I'm still trying to figure out what art to put in there, but that is another option. Adding a light right here to the center. I found a couple on Lamps Plus that I think are really pretty. So Black Friday is this weekend, this Friday. So I think I'm just gonna go add a few items to my list and then get Quentin's buy-in and then go ahead and pull the plug for Black Friday. Same thing with chairs. I've been wanting to get new chairs for a while now. They've been through it. We've had them since the apartment, my very first apartment, and that was like 2016 I think we bought them, or maybe 2017. Kind of just want to do like black simple chairs I think would be really cute.
Here she comes like the rays of the sun, she shines. A 10 out of 10, Lord, she's no less than a dime. Sets my soul on fire and helps me unwind, yeah. The right kind of woman to help me feel fine. And I've been waiting for most of my life to have this love come and bury my strife and carry on.
I know I'm not wrong on this, but there's nowhere in my house that I would put a basket of dolls. Nowhere at all. But the frame and the mat is so pretty. So instead of keeping this, I can get the frame and the mat for a really good price and then just swap the art out. So I love this one. This one's kind of like a rectangular square type of frame. It is really beautiful, made out of solid wood. Then next I got this frame as well. It's missing like mostly everything on it, but it has like some gold leafing on here. The back just looks like this. And then I really loved this frame. The mat is absolutely beautiful in my opinion, and I love this wood color. Next I have this gold frame, and this gold is definitely not my vibe. It's too bright and light. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to take a little bit of rub and buff and just kind of tone this gold down. But if you look really closely, this detail is really beautiful. So I kind of wanted that detail to be in the house, and I'll just rub and buff it to make it look a lot better. I love this next frame. It is beautiful. It is heavy. Again, made out of solid wood. And then I don't know if you can see the detail here. It's so beautiful. I just love this. And it has a little bit of gold on the side. I feel like this one is very self-explanatory. It kind of just reminds me of old grandma bathroom, or just like bathrooms in the 90s. If you grew up in the 90s, you know. No, but the frame is so nice, and this gold is exactly what I'm looking for. And then I love this frame, you guys. Like, look how cute is this piece, and the frame is just really cool. It's a perfect tone. I don't love this art, so obviously swapping. And I think I love the mat, but I can't remember if I kept this mat or not. If not, I can always use it for another piece, but I love it. Okay, this piece is very cute. Again, don't love the art. I'm not a cat person. You could kind of play around with the art this way or that way. I did like this frame a lot. It is wood, but it has like rub and buff on it. Again, this gold, I don't know if I 100% love this gold, so I can just rub and buff it a little bit to make it a little bit more bronze. And then this one is my biggest frame. It's kind of beat up a little bit, like there's a little wear and tear, but it's still in really good condition. And then I also love this mat, so I just found some art that would go really well with this beige color.
Carry my stripe and carry on. And carry on. Got the soul of a warrior, but a tender heart, yeah.
Okay guys, the art came in the mail and I am so excited to open this. I am hoping the prints look good. When I ordered, I got like a discount on every print because I ordered multiple of them. I didn't get all of the art, so I know like there are some art prints that for like the bigger frames I wasn't able to order for those, but the smaller frames should be good enough. I'm hoping. Let's open these, and I'll link the company that I ordered from down below if they came out good. We will see. If they don't come out good, then I won't. Oh my God. Are you joking? Oh, I feel like they're getting, oh my God. Oh, wow. Like, I don't know if you can even see the depth of color that's in here. It's kind of blowing me away. Like, it's kind of unreal. Wow. Okay, well, those are incredible. Those are incredibly beautiful. Like, just think how beautiful this will be.